Hey y'all, Steven here. Hope everybody's doing well. The camera is turned around so you don't have to see this old face with the white beard. This is the Mabry, a couple of the pieces here. I don't have the black one. I've got some of these out in rotation, getting some reviews done on them to share with the broader community. But the Mabry is a new piece. It's in pre-order right now. It is scheduled to come out, I'm showing, late fall. I'm trying to do everything I can to potentially start deliveries in the October time frame. But don't hold me to it. Still late fall is the target. And it's a 39 millimeter titanium watch. I've had several folks ask for maybe a bit more information simply because there haven't been the reviews published yet, and so I'll just take it upon myself. I'll show you the piece. I've only got two of them here: the field white, the moss green. The shadow black is actually out in a review cycle, so I'll just do with these two. But I'll give you some facts about the watch. I've got the caliper here, and I'll do the measurements and so forth. But first titanium watch for the DuFrane brand. It is an awesome piece. These are a couple of samples. You'll see the different color in the two straps. And just because the prototypes, this color strap, I'm choosing to go with this kind of lighter green color. And there's actually going to be a little bit of a change to the strap construction as well. There's going to be some hard plastic end pieces instead of fabric that make these a lot more useful. I've shot a quick video a couple weeks ago that kind of showcased that, but there'll be more details on that as we go into production and start delivery. But it is a 39 millimeter watch. Let me just fire up the calipers here and give you the measurement. So you go 38.7. It's a very thin watch, 10.4 I think. Yeah, 10.5, 10.4. Swiss Solita SW200 movement. The lug to lug is, it's going to do the, try to get that in there. So just under 47, lug to lug, so very compact. And then the actual lug width, trust me when I say it's 20. There we go. Now we're inside there. There we go. 20 lug to lug. There's a couple of different loom options. Let me just try to get an angle on the dial though. You can see the depth of these injected mold indices. They do have loom in them. They are BWG9 or C3. So depending on the dial color, the black dial has the Swiss C3. This moss and field have the kind of the bluer hue with the BWG9. So the loom is fantastic. I'll show a little loom shot as well. But there's a lot of texture in that dial. It's a sandy dial on all three finishes. A lot of depth with the applied inject mold indices. Slight difference on the date wheel for the production ones. These are actually going to be color matched. So each dial, obviously white, even though it's an off-white, they'll still be an off-white, but the dial or the date wheel will actually be color matched to the dial itself. It's a nice little feature. I think it finishes it off well. These will have a DLC coating of 800 Vickers. So for titanium, that gives it about 3.5 times more scratch resistance. Funny thing about titanium, it's actually harder than steel, than 316L. A lot of people say it scratches easier. What happens is it actually just develops a very fine oxidation. It's really hard to tell, but that oxidation then actually scratches. So the metal itself is very, very hard. But in any event, there'll be a DLC coating across the entire watch, the bezel, and the case back to allow for a much more scratch resistant piece. Let me just flip the strap inside out so you can see the military wreath that is engraved into the case back. The Mabry is actually a field watch, but it is named after Camp Mabry here in Austin, a very old established military installation, the head of the Texas military, and some reserve facilities as well. The the history behind Camp Mabry is actually very interesting and very cool. I'm actually going to shoot some video there coming up. There's some awesome old military planes and helicopters and things like that. So very fitting for the watch and that location, obviously. But in any event, the watch is very compact, 1.7 ounce with this particular fabric strap. It's going to also ship with a leather, whether it's brown or black. There'll be a leather strap that's included as well. The dial is really unique simply because it's a kind of a combination of what I call a field dial and the old California dial. So I call it a California field dial simply because it does have the inner ring that denotes, kind of that military time track, but then the California dial, but then on the outer chapter ring, that railroad track. So it's kind of an interesting combination. I thought I hadn't seen too many of these, if any of these. I thought it was a unique and a little bit different type of an idea to put down onto a watch. So I wish I had the black one with me to give you some views of that, but this is a really cool piece. Like I said, it's been in pre-order for, I don't know, a month or so. It'll be coming out for production, delivery rather, in the next several weeks. This is mid-September now, so if you're watching this in the future, tell me what the lottery tickets are, please. But it is coming out probably in the October timeframe. That's what I'm shooting for, waiting for a few more components to complete assembly. Screw down crown, 100-meter water resistance, and like I said, the Sellita SW200 automatic mechanical. I still do the timing and testing, assembly, everything done here. So there you go. Hopefully that helps for those that did move forward with the pre-order, or those that are thinking about the pre-order and wanted a little bit more detail, have a little bit better idea of what these look like. It's hard to capture everything on video, hard to capture everything just with still images on the website. So hopefully that helped, and love hearing the comments. Please keep them coming. Helps me deliver some stuff that y'all are interested in, and I hope this was one of those videos. So thanks for taking a look, and please reach out with any questions. Y'all have a good one. Almost forgot the loom shot. So I just charged those up, so here we go. There it is. So the green is the BG, the blue hue is always the C3. I think I may have misstated that the black dial has the C3, but my mistake. It is the white, the field white, that has the C3. The other two have the green hue. Pretty cool loom on it. Whoa, there's some flare. But there you go. Again, sorry about not capturing that, but wanted to add this to the end here. And again, let me know if y'all have any questions. See ya.